everyone. So this time's lesson plan is going to be a combination of the last two lesson plans, the color theory lesson plan and the Claude Monet lesson plan. So kids need to keep in mind two things. One will be how to mix color. So when we talk about how a blue plus a white would make a light blue, and how a green plus a blue will make another color. So we will talk about mixing color, and also we will talk about observation. You will concentrate on observation. So in the last class, kids had to observe a painting and then recreate the painting. In this class, we will be doing the same. Also, we will teach them how to shade using their fingers. So this is the painting. This is a painting by an artist called Georgia O'Keeffe. She's a woman artist, American, and we will be concentrating on this painting, this lesson plan. So we will ask them questions like, what do you see? So we see mountains, we see sky, we see a lake, we see a water body, we see the reflection of the mountains in the water body. We see that all the colors in this painting are somewhat shades of blue. Next, we will ask them, what colors do you see again? So they will say, we see light blue, dark blue, white, green. Next, we can ask them, what can you see in the water? So it's important that you establish that there is a reflection of the mountains in the water. Like there was last time, there was reflection of the sunrise in the water. Here there is reflection of the mountains and the sky in the water. Next, talk about the artist. So the name of the artist is Georgia O'Keeffe. She is an American woman artist, and she was born in Wisconsin, a state in America. You can talk about how she had a very difficult time becoming an artist. Her family lost money, her mother passed away. She didn't have enough money to pay for art school, but she never lost hope. She always pursued her dream of becoming an artist. So please talk about this. Then ask them what their one dream is. So some will say, we want to become engineers, we want to become pilot, we want to become doctors, artists. Tell them that like Georgia never stopped pursuing her dream, they should not stop pursuing their dream to become an artist, an actor, a doctor. They can become anything they want. They just need to be motivated. Picture 2 will be, now this is very important, this is the reference picture. So they don't have to make the exact replica of this. They have to observe. This painting is just for observation. They have to make their own version of the painting using finger painting. So they have to use finger painting like last time, where they dab, 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 dab. Similarly, this week they will have to do the same thing, but they don't have to make the exact same painting. Also, make sure that they don't copy what their neighbors are doing. Let them have their own take on the painting. So this is picture 2, this is the reference. So if I have written instructions like blue plus lots of white, then show them how to mix the color. Very, very important. They have to use a brush to remove color. They cannot use their fingers to remove the color. They have to use a brush to remove the color. So, and rag. So teach them how to use the materials required for painting. Again, please keep reinforcing it, because a lot of children are not bringing rags and containers. Please make sure they do. So we use a brush to remove paint from the paint bottle, and we use the palette to mix the colors. So a little bit of blue in white. So in lots of white will give me sky blue. This is sky blue. You can see that. And then some white and some blue will give me light blue. this is light blue. So you have these shades: blue, light blue, sky blue. Now you can see the variation of these shades in this part. So there is blue plus white, which is light blue, and there is blue plus lots of white, which is sky blue. Make sure that they keep seeing these names again and again. So I use blue and I do dab, 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 and then I use light blue, dab, 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 and I use sky blue, dab, 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 dab. But see how it is done over here. Ask them to observe the amount of blue used here, the amount of white used here. How is it getting mixed? It cannot be in one single line. Last time we did it like this. This shouldn't be allowed. It cannot be in single lines. It needs to be mixed properly. Before they start painting, they will be given an empty sheet of cartridge. They have to divide the paper in half again. They will divide the paper in half. Then they have to draw the outline of this painting. So they have to copy the same profile again. So they will draw the outline of this painting. Give them 10 minutes to do that, and then they will get this. Once this is done, they will start painting. Teach them how to use the fingers to mix colors. So if I have blue, I am using light blue. So I am mixing the colors with my fingers. And then I'm using sky blue to mix it again. I am not making it in lines like this. I am mixing the colors like this. Also, a rag is very important. They have to use the value of cleanliness and wipe their fingers before they take another color. Very, very important. Also, they have to be patient. Last time the kids were not patient. The kids were getting a little agitated. They couldn't finish the painting. But this time ask them to be patient and finish the painting.